Hello guys, today we're making my favorite cuisine dish, Chicken Tikka Masala. So as you can see here, my friend here is holding mushrooms. They're very poisonous, so beware. Anyways, this is how to make Chicken Tikka Masala. And as you can see here, this is me with my son. And he wants to make Chicken Tikka Masala. First you need a ripe tomato. Make sure to wash it. Second of all, you need to walk to the grocery store. Look where I'm at, guys. Yes. Okay, you get tomato, you make sure to smell it. Yeah, make sure your son smells it too, so he approves. It might look like a peach, but trust me, it's a tomato. Yummy, yummy. So how to make it first, you need tomato. Then you also need cream sauce. To make sure it's creamy, you need your chicken tikka masala creamy. Make sure you have spices like blueberry all around you and carrots. You need all the spices, okay? All the spices. Vegetables. Okay? As a short man myself, I need my vegetables. It's very healthy. You know how your parents tell you, you need to eat healthy. Well, that's what I'm trying to say here. Anyways guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I am not done yet with telling you my Indian recipes for Chicken Tikka Masala. Okay, thank you. I saw you subscribe because I'm so cool. Look at me and my son here. Very heartwarming. Look at my drawer here. Look at all my spices and knives. Make sure to add some salt to the beef. Make sure to cook it in a pan. Put it down so it burns better. Look at my dog here. He's very bored, but I know he likes the smell. Look at me cutting all the healthies here. My son loves it. He's totally not bored. Here are my two daughters, and one of them is my wife. There's a third one, don't worry. I'm cutting mushrooms here, don't worry, they're not poisonous. They will not poison you. Also, my daughter here is stirring the batter. Look at me cutting the chicken. Excuse me for that burp. Well, anyways, the dinner's almost done. Look at the chicken tikka masala. Here's me talking with my wife. We're having a very controversial opinion about does pineapple belong on pizza. Also, we ate dinner together. Us as a family ate chicken tikka masala for Thanksgiving. Look at my daughter here.